in Nigeria that a little boy that did not go to school, just a social media influencer that was doing very well financially, was interviewing graduate or PhD. This boy is not up to 90, and he was talking to them anyhow. People with masters said, "How old are you?" He was talking to them like bullshit. No respect, because he has money. Because the Bible said in the book of Ecclesiastes, it said money is power, wisdom is power. He was talking to them anyhow. Some of the people you are seeing,
some people, like, I need 1 minute silence to this, because some people can nature whether Opela charisma no nego. Well, because based on the Kugakwa, only make on related to Bella. But when you are the show, because when you're going to who's on the knees there. So way much, because way much better because I don't know if you know, I'm on Opela Google, and I'm away, but some people go talk to Opela because which have some comment to say, oh, Bella, because the guy, all the rude, all the cap. I'm out the guy, the rude, was like recently, you get happy like on the douche, but way more because all my life, I'm going to do she pass. So way much.